ball, Pastor Laksamana. Laksamana, Corte with the basket, Pastor Largo. Bounce pass to Corte, shot lock down to 14. Pastor Largo, kurang ako na layon. Big rebound, peso rebound, Silvano, wala. Uy, air ball. Kabase ngayon. Pass break, pass to Ricardo. Ricardo ngayon, noon mo sa buwan. Dansil. Uy, may pumarok na pick of foul. Foul goes to number 4. Blocking foul ang tinawag kay Largo. Largo first personal foul. First team foul. Ricardo balik Dansil. Kabase full of chokers. Big rebound sa Lazar. Uy, counter steal. Kabase, pass break pass. Ariscado. Ariscado pop. Uy. It's a traveling violation. Ang tinawag kay Ariscado. Ngayon. Servano ngayon. Uy! It's a traveling violation again. Wala babalik sa team SKP. Dansil, ball, pass to Kapase. Kapase, lumabas sa ball. Salazar saves the ball, pass to Laksamana. Laksamana galing pa Dansil. Uy, napaganda pa, Laksamana yes, kapag 2. Remaining time, last 5 minutes and 55. Dansil ngayon, nagmamadali. Dansil, skip na dito, ispas ang pase. Kapase, turn around. Uy, Dansil, put back, yes, kapag 2. Last 5 minutes and 35. Got the cut down sound. Bedford lead. Kapase ngayon, lumabas sa buwan. Rodriguez ngayon, driving it up off the bus, Bedford 2. Grabe veteran smooth. Nice joy. Laksamana driving up, yes, Bedford 2, last 5 minutes. Kapase again. Pastor Ricardo, to Dansil. Shot lock down for team. Dansil, oy, Kabase sa ball, pinaka Ricardo. Break pass, oy, ang score. Escobar. Kabase, shot lock down to 12. Rodriguez ngayon, yes, the third 2. Sagasali pa na ball, pass to Corte. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Salazar naglag-lag. Lago. Salazar put back. Yes, the third 2. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Dansil. Pass to Kapase. Kapase luwag mo sa ball. Shot lock to 14. Dansil from the parking lot. Pero wala. Offensive rebound ng Cartiway. Inapos. Last 4 minutes. Kante nulog pass para na si Kapase. Pass na Ricardo. Ariscado way. May pumalaw na pink foul. Who's foul net? Foul on jersey number 4, Largo. Largo second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots and missed on jersey number 26, Ariscado. Ariscado first row, connect 1. Pag nag-shoot rin, pressure timeout. Timeout ang team ng BCB. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Official score. Tituan 42, lamang ng siyam ang team BCB Sportswear. Laksamana ngayon, pass to Largo. Wala may steal ng Rodriguez. Rodriguez, pass to Kapase. Kapase skip na dito, sinitawan na kaya Conde. Conde wide open from the parking lot, pero wala. Last Lacson, big rebound. Lacson, pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez, veteran scoop, pero wala. Big rebound, tapit at wala, huy. May pumarap na Peter, who's called left. Foul jersey number 26. Pushing foul ang tinawag kay Ariscado. Ariscado war, second personal foul. First team foul. Every time, 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Last na mana. Pass to Servano, pass to Largo. Largo up the glass, Largo put back, pero wala. Servano again. Shot lock by the pen. Last 3 minutes. Gandang pasa naman, wala shot. Back to muna yung shot lock tayo. Ariscado, big rebound. Pass to Lacson. Lacson, ready niya, pero may pumunang ng big foul. Foul on jersey number 12. Bigyan ni Subans on Servano. Servano, you are running, happy 4 fouls. 3 team fouls. Again, Servano, you are running, happy 4 fouls. First low by Lacson, bad bounce. Remaining time 2 minutes and 48. Last row. Uy, wala pa rin. Conde, looking for someone. Cross pass to Salazar, pick. Uy, walang may steal, Ariscado. Pass to Amasi to Rodriguez. Rodriguez playing back. Cross pass again to Ariscado. Uy, may pumunang na pitong ball and run. Foul Lacson. And Laksamana. Laksamana, second personal foul. Running for penalty to the Brown team, BCP Sportswear. First goal by Ariscado, nothing but the net, connect one. Let's go, let that ball rock. Konting yun. Konting ka nang nilang Salazar, pagkapaging lot. Nating patanan, 1 for 2, 1 for 2. Kapase, oy, deflecting pass. They can't recover the ball, rest of for 2. Maraming top shot yun. Laksamana ng gumadaling. Largo from the parking lot, nating patanan, 1 for 3. Grabe, mess. Kapase, Castro Rodriguez. Last 1 minute and 45. Ariscado pinilit. May pumunok na pitong ball na naman. Foul jersey number 4. Legal Subans on Largo. Largo you are. 12 personal foul. Penalty situation tayo. Remaining time 1 minute and 43 seconds. Sa ating third quarter. First throw by Ariscado, not good. Uy, wala pa rin, inaalat. Last 1 minute and 40. Laksamana, Conde, Largo, Servano, up the glass, pero wala. Largo put back, yes, the pursuer. Kapase. Pass to Lacson. Lacson ngayon, behind the back. Pass to Rodriguez. Shot lock for the ground. Rodriguez with the shot. Yes, the pursuer. Laksamana, last 1 minute. Shot lock on 14. Shot lock on the 12. Gandang pasa naman nun, Servano West with pursuer. What a great courtesy by Mr. Conte. That's 45. gonna pick. Aris gonna up the pass, good for 2. Last 35. Last 30. Last 25. Shot clock down to 14. Ganda pasa naman. Laksamana, yes, good for 2. Last 15. Walang tayong shot clock. Last 10. Again, wala na tayong shot clock. Last 5, 4. Rodriguez, yes, good for 2. Remaining official score. Remaining time 52-62. Sampo ang kalamangan ng team VCT Sportswear.